Hey kidlets! So today we're going to be talking about black holes and how they form. So you might be asking, what are black holes? Well, black holes are areas in space where the pull of gravity is so powerful that light isn't able to escape. So that means that scientists can't actually detect black holes by seeing them. There's no light there for them to see. They're actually invisible, so we have to use other methods to detect black holes. There are three types of black holes. There are primordial, stellar, and supermassive black holes.
So the three types of black holes are primordial, stellar, and supermassive. Primordial black holes are the smallest of the three. They are thought to have formed soon after the Big Bang. Stellar black holes are medium-sized. They are formed when a large star collapses in on itself. Lastly, supermassive black holes are the largest type of black hole. Although it is still debated, they are believed to have formed at the same time as the galaxy they belong to. Others believe that they form out of the collapse of a massive cloud of gas.
So black holes are usually formed as a result of a star dying, and there's a little process that they go through when this happens. So first they burn out all of their hydrogen fuel, then they become what's called red giants, which are big swollen stars that have a high luminosity but a low temperature. Then they shed their outer layers and become dense white dwarf stars. Then they cool and become invisible because there's no light there. However, when a star is heavy, it'll die in a sudden explosion called a supernova.
There are many questions that arise when it comes to black holes. Many people are curious as to whether our Earth could be destroyed by a black hole. It is actually highly unlikely for a black hole to form in our solar system, although we do have a massive black hole in the center of our galaxy, but Earth will never come near, nonetheless be destroyed by it. Another question is whether it's possible for our sun to turn into a black hole. Our sun is way too small and will actually turn into a planetary nebula when it dies. Lastly, you may be wondering how black holes are studied. You cannot simply just look at a black hole because there's no light there for our eyes to detect, so scientists use instruments like the SWIFT satellite and the Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope.
All right, so here's some fun facts that we learned while we were researching. The first one is, if a person were to fall into a black hole, they would actually be quote-unquote spaghettified, which basically means that their entire bodies would be shredded in a matter of seconds. Next, over time, black holes will stop sucking up celestial objects and will evaporate. Within the center of our own galaxy, there's a massive black hole. It is 4 million times the size of our sun. Objects are actually being sucked into the black hole at such high speeds that time in the black hole slows down. Supermassive black holes create new stars and universes by shooting out hot jets of gas, which cool into star-forming clouds. All right, so that's all we have for you today. We found it really interesting to research black holes, and we can't wait to learn more in the future. Thank you.
We're over.
Hey kidlets! So today we're going to be talking about black hole formation. I'm Hannah Landon, and I'm here with Alana Ingram, and we are in period 5. No?
Nope.
Okay.
What was that period?
Hey kidlets! I can't.
What was that? Or, let me see. We're talking about black hole formation and...
I'm sorry, do you want to do it?
I was brainstorming, so if you could just stop that. This is private. Thank you.
Hey kidlets! So today we're going to be talking about black hole formation. I'm Hannah Landon, and I'm here with Alana Ingram, and we're going to be talking about black hole formation.
Cool. Cool. Formation.
Cool.
Cool.